Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends all over the world. Today, I would like to continue to show you the Shaolin 5 fists. I think some of you have already forgotten this little Qigong form. No problem, I make some revision. When you lift your leg, you will take a breath inside. When you drop down your legs, you will breathe out the airs. 3 times. This is the first episode. Now the second episode, we will practice the horse riding stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is horse riding stance. I have already explained you the instruction of this episode. So now I explain you the next episode of the tiger. So I will put down the 2 hands like this, put here, and I will change them to the fists. I will lift my I lift my 2 arms to elbow, tuck. And then I will raise 2 hands like this. I will change the 2 hands to palm, to 2 sides, again here. And I will change 2 hands into paws, and then raise above. And then I will cross the 2 hands here in front of my chest and move it down. And continue to draw the circles and change back to the fists and put down to my 2 legs here. And then I will turn to my right side, put my 2 fists like this. So this is the bow stance. Then I will lift my left leg and I will step forward with my left leg, and then I will lift my right leg. So now I will step forward with my left leg. This, keep the horse riding stance. Then I will push change my left hand into palm and push to the right side. Then change the right palm to fist and pull back to the waist. And then raise my right hand, right fist up. And then I pull back in front of my right chest I push forward. Then change into the palm, pull back, and put my left hand in front of my left chest and push forward. Also change to palm, back, and then the right palm raise this way and left palm down this way, and the left elbow push to left. So you can move it a little bit quickly or a little bit slowly, no problem. The important thing is to keep the horse riding stance. The horse riding stance is important. It can help us to expand our bodies. When somebody attacks us, when like this, horse riding stance will help us to escape from somebody to hold us. So this stance can help us, and these movements can help us to expand our bodies. And if somebody hold our body like this, if I expand my bodies, and the arms of the enemy's arms will drop down. So it's very useful even for the self-defense. Okay, let's make a revision. You can move quickly or slowly, no problem. At first moment, do not control your breath. And now we will practice the horse riding stance so that our body can be expanded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horse riding stance. And then we will try to expand our bodies. Principally, when we raise our bodies, we will breathe in the fresh airs. So when we minify our movements, we will push out the airs. This is also expansion. Expansion. It's totally expansion. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel in order to watch the continuous movements. And good luck for your learning. Bye bye.